In this section, we're going to generate a curved page effect. And what a curved page effect is, it gives the impression that a corner of a page is being turned. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to duplicate our cover layer. And we're going to do that by going to Layer and selecting Duplicate Layer, then selecting OK. And you'll see another layer has been duplicated. And we do this just in case the one we're working on, we make a mistake, and we can just go back and use the duplicate. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new layer by going to Layer, New, and Layer, and select OK. And what we want to do is we want to make this layer white. So we're going to go to the colors, select white, and to make a background white. Once done, we will go back to our cover. And what we want to do is we want to make sure our cover is above the white layer. Then we're going to use the polygonal lasso tool to create a triangle where our page will give the impression of being turned. And then we're going to select Delete. And what we're going to do now is we're going to shave off the edges and curve them a little. And we're going to do that by using the eraser tool. We're going to go down to the eraser, select Eraser tool. We're going to select the smallest pinpoint, and then we're going to shave off the corners. What you may want to do is go to the magnifying glass and magnify the section. And once we shave off the edges, we want to create a shadow effect. And to do that, we're going to go to Layer, Create Clipping Mask. I'm going to select Layer again, select Layer Style, Style Settings, and we're going to select Drop Shadow. And you'll see the effect of moving these levers has on your image and the shadow. As well as the angle. So once you have it the way you want, you'll simply select OK. Now we're going to create a triangle using the polygonal lasso tool to represent the folded page. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the polygonal lasso tool, and we're going to create a triangle to represent the flap. Then we're going to go to Layer, New Fill Layer, and select Gradient. And we're going to select OK. Then under Gradient, we're going to hit this arrowhead going down, and we're going to select black and white. and we're going to use the angle to get the effect we want. And we're going to scale down to around 35. And once we get the effect we want, we will select OK. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a loop over here, and we're going to use the manual pencil tool for that. And before we do that, we're going to go to the eyedropper and click on the cover to duplicate the color green that we want. Then we're going to go down to the pencil, select pencil tool. We're going to select the smallest point and we're going to manually create our loop. So this is how you create a curved page effect using Photoshop Elements.